Have you ever wanted to see all your events in a simple list without opening each date one by one? Today I will show you how to switch to schedule view inside Samsung Calendar. To do so, open Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Now select schedule. Just like that, your calendar will display all events in a list format from the nearest date to the next one. You can scroll up and down to check upcoming schedule easily. If you want to go back to monthly view, tap the three horizontal line icon again at the top left. And then choose month, week, or another layout you like. Given to its function, schedule view is great when you want a clean overview of plans without navigating through date. Try it out and see which view fits your workflow best. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.